Hey guys, I have come with another project, image classification using VGG19 pre-trained convolutional neural network. So this is the image classification model. I use here VGG19 pre-trained CNN architecture for the image classification, which already trained on 14 million dataset images, which belongs to the 1000 classes. I did not take any custom dataset here. I just import some of the libraries and download the weight of the VGD19 pre-trained model and simply save the model with .h5 file and just test the model on different images. I have also deployed this model on the local host using the Python framework Flask. I will show you everything. But there's a note. I will explain again. I don't use any custom dataset. I only download the weights of the VGD19 and try to use it. Okay. And if you want to learn transfer learning with a custom dataset, so you can follow my previous blogs. Okay. So now we start. So first of all, we import all the required libraries like process input for processing the our input, decode prediction for extract the class from uh, different class. Load model is basically to load the model. Image is basically image processing. VGD19 is a pre-trained and optimized model. NumPy, Matplotlib. Okay. Here I define my VGD19 model and download the weights ImageNet. Download the weights ImageNet. It basically the size is 549 MB. The weight size is 549 MB. After downloading the weights, I just check the summary of my model. So this complete summary of my model and just simply save my BTD19 model, load my BTD19 model using the load model and just test my model. Firstly load the image, convert the image into array, then expand the dimension, process the input, and this is BGG16 is my model which I load here. Predict the image like which images belongs to which class. Then decode prediction is basically used to extract the class, and after extracting the class here, after extracting the class there is a two or four parameters of list. So we extract the name of the particular class, then return the result and image. Basically I give, then simply test the model. Basically I give here a cat image, then I will show the title and show the image, and I basically off the access. Okay, so this is my test image, Egyptian cat. Thank you. And I also deployed this model using the Python framework Flask. Okay, so I will show you. So this is my simple GUI of my web page. I deployed this model using the Python framework Flask. Let's test the model. Just uh, upload an image using the choose button. I just choose the image. Like if I take an image of this lion, just simply click on the predict. The result is lion because VGD19 is already trained on 1000 classes. Okay, then let's test again another image. Just I take this panda image. Let's predict. The result is giant panda. It's working very well. It's working very well. Okay, so this is my image classification using the transfer learning. Here I don't use any custom dataset. I just download the weights and save the weights and try to use with my Flask application. And guys, if you want the source code and explanation of VGD19 architecture, and if you are interested in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, so you can follow my this blog. You can follow my this blog. Here you will get different projects related to NLP, ML, DL, and the image classification problem which I discussed. Complete explanation you will get here. Okay, just follow this blog. And for the source code, here you will get the source code, and all the instructions are written here, how to download, how to use, etc, etc. You will get here. Just note note just download the weight and save the weight, save the model, just save the model. After saving the model, you will get this type of model, image classification.h5, and paste in this folder, here, paste here in this folder, here. Okay, so thank you guys, we will meet in the next project. So thank you. If you have any queries, so you can comment below.